Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the W. Today, we're going to do some work on the Cub. We're going to introduce y'all to it, and I am happy and both sad to say that I have lost the Cub. I'll explain more later. But we're going to do some work on it today, routine maintenance, change the oil, check the hydraulic fluid, top it off, and we got to do some welding on the Cub today. Unfortunately, it is cast iron welding. So, y'all come on. Let's go ahead and get started. I got to run to the parts store real quick, grab a couple little parts, taps, stuff like that. But we'll be right back and we'll get to welding. So, y'all come on. Well, there's one store that ain't got taps. Let's try another one. Strike two. Let's try another place. Maybe third time's a charm. Ace Hardware came through with the win. Got the bag full. Now let's head home. All right, so we're back home now. Now, once I start this process, I may not talk a whole lot. So I'm going to try to show you all a few things now. Um, we're going to be using nickel 55s. All right. This is a cast iron rod. All right, we're going to be preheating. Now, cast iron does take heat pretty quick. You can get it up to temp fairly quickly. You won't. Cast iron is best between 500 and 900 degrees. But if you can't get it that high, above 200 will work. But you have to make sure that you do not let this stuff cool down too quick. All right, so that's what the weed burner's for today. The weed burner will get cast up to temp. Okay. Now, once I pull off of it and start pinging stuff, that's when I will I'll start preheating, well, post heating a little bit. And yeah, it's gonna be a process. And unfortunately it's a quick process. As far as you don't have a lot of room for error, is what I'm meaning when I say quick. Welding cast iron is not quick. Obviously on this tractor, I can't dip this whole thing into a bucket of sand, so I'm gonna have to sit here with a weed burner and gradually put just a little bit of heat to it, just to make sure it stays in a good temp and it slowly cools down. See, and eventually it'll get to where I'll just stop putting heat on it because it'll been done cooled down enough to where it can cool down the rest of the way by itself. Uh, so yeah, we'll start preheating and then we'll get to weld. And you can see who have welded on this before. I welded all this and they oblonged it pretty bad. So we're going to put weld all in here to fix it. All right, so this is a 200 temp stick. She's not at 200 yet. I got 200 right here to see where she's at, to make sure she stays above it. And I got a 450 right here. Well, yeah, a 450 to make sure it stays above it. So we're going to take it up slowly and All right, it's at 200 now. It's not quite at 450 though. So we can weld on it now if we really needed to. At 450, but it's way past 200. So I think it'll be okay to weld right now. Particular rod right here, manufacturer recommends welding it at between 50 and 70 amps. So let's see how she does. All right. Now y'all, welding cast ain't exactly a science. Sometimes you just gotta roll with it, especially on something like this. So I'm gonna turn that thing down just a little bit because it is hot. Good Lord, it is hot. Okay. Oh, I turned it down to 60 amps. I hope that helps. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to get a little bit more right here. I don't like the way it's acting, but I'm gonna try it. That welded a lot better. I mean, a lot better. Okay. Let's do it. Better. Y'all remember, no matter what, ping these welds, okay? I got a doled out hammer right now, and I'm not cleaning slag off, I'm pinging a weld. That way it doesn't crack. It kind of stretches the material a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna start filling in some stuff. Fixing some of my uh-ohs that I've done. Mainly right here and right here. Everything's starting to take shape again. I hate it when that happens. Alright, that's gonna do it right there. Right there is welded. Now let's get it post heated. Y'all, I just heard one of them drums pop outside, and Lord, it scared me. I thought it might have been a weld. And we'll keep post heating it for the next few minutes. Let it cool down. I really wish I had some insulation, but I don't. So it'll be okay. We'll let it cool down real slow, and we'll let y'all see it once it's all done. Well, we've been post heating about 40 minutes now, and I ain't heard no pings yet. Yeah, 200. She's under 200 there, there, and there. If she's under 200, it's got to be 199 or less. That means she should be good to cool down by herself now. So it's really, oh heck, I can touch it with my hand now. We're good to go. There she is. Now I got to grind all this down. I got to find a drill bit. I have the tap. I need to find the drill bit, drill it out, then I can tap it. All right, I'm gonna show you how to change your oil. All right. Okay. Whose tractor is this? Mine. It's your tractor now? All right, it's your tractor. You're going to learn how to take care of it, okay? All right, we're going to learn how to change the oil.
You learned. How did you learn to take care of yours? Same thing as me?
No, YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
We got yours.
Hey, that's the filter. Look here. This is your oil filter for your tractor, okay? Part number is 1153, okay? You gonna remember that? I doubt it. There's your filter. Alright, look here. I got it loose for you. Alright, what you do? You want to get all the oil in your green bucket. That way we don't spill none on the ground. Now, you loosen this up and you push in on it when you're loosening it, okay? I'll do it this time, okay? But I want you to watch. That way
When can I do it?
you can do it next time.
Look. Get the top out.
I am.
Ew.
Now you see that little ring right here on it? That's got to go back on it, okay? Alright, so here's your oil plug. Now, we're going to sit it right here so we don't lose it. Now, a good way to tell whether your tractor's running good or not is to smell your oil and look at your oil. So look here. See it's on my finger? Smell it. It smells like gas, don't it? All right. That means your tractor's running rich or well, or either it's flooding.
Yeah, fuck.
Yeah, flooding. You know what flooding is?
Yeah.
No, you don't. All right, we're gonna let this drain, okay?
Okay, it looks like it's almost done.
Yeah, but we're gonna let it drain. Now, stand up. Now we're gonna use a 3/4 inch. That was 1 1/8 right there. All right.
I don't want to get gas.
All right, look.
Yeah.
Right here is where your oil filter is at, okay?
How do we get it out?
You see that bolt right there? You put this on here and you turn it.
Can I turn it?
Yes. There you go. It's on there.
Is that the way you have your oil on?
Now, keep turning it.
I wish we could just do it with our hands.
You might be able to now. Reach in there with your hand. See if you can turn it.
You can do it.
You can turn it? All right, we'll turn it. All right.
I think I don't need that anymore.
Well, not right now.
It's kind of so much done. I think I'm going to be filthy when we finish.
You think you're going to be filthy when we're finished? You might be. Hey, Daisy.
When I'm almost done.
I don't know when you're going to almost be done.
Hard. I need the wrench.
No, you don't need a wrench.
Why can I not have
Can you
one?
pull it out yet?
Yeah.
Or you want me to do it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Almost done. I think I'm almost done. See that? It's going out. It's hard. Fingers are getting cold. Thank you.
Hey, put that wrench down, boy.
I got it. I got it.
Yes, all right.
You got it? I don't know how to pull it out of my hand.
I'm gonna show you. You pull everything out at the same time.
Well, then I think it's not a mixture. Yeah, I think it's going to be a lot of wool. What do we do after that? Put our new one in?
Well, we gotta get this one out first.
Is that water?
Yeah,
Okay, you
sort of.
got one. Ew. My hand's full of wool.
There we go. Now look, here's your old oil filter. Pull this out. Now look, you notice a certain way it came out, right?
Do I put the new one in? Yes. Or do I clean it?
All right.
Is it time to do it?
Yeah. Take that one out of the pack.
Wait. It has sticks in there.
Yeah, is there anything in it? All right, anything else in the bag? Is there something black in there?
Nope, nothing in there.
Sure ain't. All right, hold the box over here so I can put this in it.
What do I do with my? I'll just set my little right here. And I'll just hold this thing.
All right, hold it over here. All right, let me see. There we go. All right, let me see your new filter.
Let's put this new
Let me see. Ooh, let me see. Let me see.
Can I open it?
Nice. That's the way it goes in right there, baby.
Huh.
All right.
Is that our old one?
Mm.
No. Can I get out from under the tractor?
Mm-hmm.
For minutes? Do I have to get back under here when I'm finished? But if I get something.
Well, Bailey, I'm guessing this. Hand me that 3/4 right there. Yeah, right here. This one. Yep, and two.
Here's a bigger quarter. Yeah, bigger quarter.
Hey,
Ooh, this fell.
y'all watch out. It's okay.
Oh, better. My stand's on the board and I'm not supposed to be standing down.
No, it's okay. Oh,
Is this the wheel?
that's the steering rod.
And this is the steering wheel. And that's the steering wheel?
Yep, you got it right. All right.
Yeah!
This thing is going to be hard to put in, baby. Hold the wrench. Yeah, they didn't give us a gasket, so we're going to have to reuse this one. Luckily, it looks pretty good. I got to clean it, so hold on. Give me a minute. Let me get a rag so I can clean this gasket off, okay?
Okay. Look, it fits.
All right. Put your gasket back on, you see?
Yep.
All right, if you don't put that gasket on, you know what's going to happen?
What?
You're going to leak oil, and then you're going to hurt your tractor.
They don't fall apart?
Well, it might not fall apart, but that I have to rebuild it again. Okay? So remember, always put that back on. All right. Yeah. Do this.
Let's start building.
Put this back in just like it came out, okay? Up
Let's grab my trusty big old wrench.
and in.
And
Just like it, baby.
now look. I was screwing. What's happening?
It's just the wind. Oh, there's Daisy over.
It's not leaking.
All right, where's your 3/4 wrench at?
3/4 inch.
Yep.
This one
It says 3/4. That means 3/4. You'll learn about fractions later on in school. Okay. All right. We tighten the
This is one.
bolt up. Okay.
This 1/4.
Now that, what does it say on? What numbers does it have?
It has a 1 plus 1, a 1, and an 8.
That means it's 1 1/8. You gonna pull on that?
Hold on.
Pull. Pull hard.
it's screwing.
All right. There we go. That should be good, okay? All right. Let's put this back in. Now remember, always have your washer on there, okay?
Okay.
All right. Put this back in.
Hey, have you seen my other wrench? This is up here. Not this one. Not this one. And we saw Sarah when we were coming up here.
Now where's your inch and an eighth at?
My inch and an eighth at?
Yeah, inch and 1/8.
Which one of these is this?
This one.
Well, give me the other big one.
All right. Hey, you want to pull on that and tighten it up?
What's that?
Pull hard.
No, ow! Did I do it?
Yep. All right. It's tight. Now, you know what we need to do? We got to put oil back in it. Okay?
Is this the old cast thing?
No, that right there is the starter. That's a funnel. All right.
Funnel for what?
Look here.
Oh,
Do you know what these letters are?
S-A-E.
What's that?
30.
What's 30?
I don't know.
30. 30.
30.
All right. So this right here is 30 weight oil. Hey, Levi. Stop, buddy.
Well, at least I caught that with my bum.
All right. You ready to go put the oil in it? On the other side. You ready?
Okay. Let me over here. Is this my day?
Well, I mean,
Because it is the best day ever.
it's the best day ever. Why is it the best day ever?
Because I'm eating better with y'all. And,
You got breakfast in bed?
yeah. And I get to do my breakfast with my favorite daddy. You!
Oh, really?
And, resting with mom in the bed.
Now look at me.
And you were sleeping.
Look, this bottom line means it's low. This top line means it's full. Okay? All right, right now it ain't got no oil in it, so it's low.
Do I have to get on this?
No,
What can I?
no.
Why my feet? What?
Now you're going to need a funnel.
The funnel. Is that the funnel?
This is a funnel. Come here.
Put my bed on it. Wow.
Now,
Can I put it on there?
let me get it started and I'll let you finish, okay?
Wow, I didn't know oil was that color. Wait, are you almost done?
Almost.
I need a little wrench for a minute. You have my big wrench. No, don't get on my toe.
All right. Come here. Come here, baby. You going to pour this in there? Pour it in there. Slowly. Hey. Come here. Come over here. Ah. Come over here now. Now, when you pour it in there, you gotta watch it. Because if you pour it too much, you see how it came up real quick? It could spill out. Okay? No, it ain't gonna spill out right now. Look. Even though you put the correct amount of oil in there, you need to check the oil, okay?
Okay. But how do we check it?
I'm gonna show you. We put our funnel inside of a bucket. That way our funnel doesn't get dirty, okay? Put that back in there. Now we pull it out and we look at it. Ooh, very full right now.
Very full?
Yep. You know why?
Why? Why?
Because it's
Too much?
no, it ain't got no oil in the filter yet. So we're gonna spin it over and let oil circulate real quick. And
what?
then we're gonna check it again, okay? Ready?
Why'd you crank it?
I didn't crank it. We're spinning the motor over, getting oil to the filter, okay? Now, come here. There's a little gauge over here. You can watch and to see if you're getting oil pressure yet. All right.
Dad, don't crank it again. Turn it off.
Hold on. There we go. Now we're getting oil pressure. Now we got oil pressure, Bailey. Come over here, Bailey. All right, next thing we need to do is check the hydraulic fluid. Come here. See this? This is your feel. I know it's low, so we're going to put hydraulic fluid in it. Now, turn your wrench to the back of the tractor. No, it's the other way. Put your wrench on there. There you go. There we go. All right, now see if you can take it off with your fingers. No, that one's not going to spill oil. That one right there is where we fill it at. Wrong way. Turn it the other way. All right. Turn it this way. And let me get past this hard spot. There you go. Take it on out. But don't drop it, okay? Or try not to, at least. There we go.
Did it drop it?
Good job.
Ew, what is that?
It's hydraulic fluid and grease.
Yeah.
All right.
Now what?
All right, now we're going to.
Well, you might break it. You might break it.
There we go. Now we got our funnel right here inside of our hydraulics. We're going to put some hydraulic fluid in it. Let me find my hydraulic fluid. Up and down.
Up and down.
Yep.
Why does it need to?
Yes, it does. That's how we cultivate.
I wish it wasn't. So, are we done?
Nope. We got grease everything now. Come here. All right. Push that lever in. Push it in.
This one?
No, this one. Push. Uh-oh. All right. That's one grease fit and it won't take grease. All right. Let's try. Try that one. Push the lever. Push it again. Push it again.
When do I
Look. All right, that's good. All right, come here. All right, push your level. Push again. Push one more time. All right, that's good. All right, do this one.
Is this the last one?
No, it's a bunch of them.
Is this one take forever? Which one else does it work?
Well, we only got one grease port so far that don't work.
She fixes everything.
All right. Nothing. All right, y'all. That's the 53 Cub. We done got the oil changed. We topped off the hydraulic fluid. We greased everything that could be greased. There was only one grease fitting that would not take grease, and that was to this cultivator arm up here. We'll put a new grease fitting in it sometime or another. We'll get it to taking grease. But that's it for the Cub for today. I told y'all I done lost the Cub. I lost it to my daughter. When I brought it home, she fell in love with it. She told me it was her tractor. It was no longer mine. So I told her if she liked it that much, she could have it. It'd be her tractor. The next thing she asked me was, Daddy, can you make my tractor as pretty like yours? I said, okay. This tractor will be taken completely apart and fixed. I don't know when, but it will be done. This tractor smokes a little bit, so we got to do a valve job, and we'll probably take the pistons out and put some new rings in them. But other than that, I'm not gonna do much to it. So the color will not be IH red. Y'all will have to follow along to see. I can hear people now complaining, but y'all want to see a real pretty IH red Cub, I'll go see Mr. Danny over at Pecan Grove. Man, he has got a very pretty Cub. It is gorgeous. So y'all go see it. If y'all want to see an interesting one, y'all keep watching. I got plans for this tractor now, but it's gonna look good once we get done with it. And trying to think of anything else on this Cub. This will be a cultivating tractor. Even though it is Bailey's now, my oldest daughter, this will still be a cultivating tractor. So y'all will get to see this one work in the field. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. I appreciate you joining me. And remember, until next time, normal's not coming back, but Jesus is. Y'all get ready for it. We'll catch you on the next one, folks.